Hi guys, welcome back. If you can hear me, please let me know that. If voice is not clean, let me know that as well. So it's subscribe on this chat right now, but my request is please don't. What to say? I mean, Friday is extremely difficult to trade, to be honest. But around the morning session, I have already outlined the most obvious setup. Here around the PM session, I just come. We will read the price. Okay, we will enjoy the price action. That's all. Again, this is extremely difficult for me to read the price action around the Friday. For me, the last hour, so around 3 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. is the best time for trading around the Friday. Okay, so my request is please don't judge me around the PM session in Friday. If I see any type of comment like this, I will just turn off the comment section. That's all. I'm expecting price will reach to this fair value gap. That's my expectation so far. And if you watch over here, I will say that yeah, I would love to take a buy around this fair value gap. This that all the market structure shift. This all the entry or here the entry fair value gap, that would be my entry. I would be stopped out over here. Okay, I would love to share my true opinion. Here I will take my entry over there, and my stop loss would be here. That would be my target. And here you can see I would be stopped out, but yeah, I didn't trade this one because of this market structure shift, and market has taken the sell side liquidity over here, traded this 1 minute last fair value gap around that area. Let me mark it there. So this is the last fair value gap. In my opinion, that was the setup there, and market structure shift over there. That was the setup I would look for if I would trade today around this time. I would go for this trade. Okay, and I would take a 13 handle loss, to be honest. Okay, this is the this is my true opinion, by the way. And you can see it didn't work perfectly. So yeah, I'm bullish until this last fair value gap from 15-minute chart. So you can see this 15-minute fair value gap and that area. This is the volume imbalance. It can reach until that area. We will see around that area how it trade. No, I'm not interested to take sell right now. Instead of that, I will wait little more and I will see if it can reach until that area or not. Okay, in my opinion, this is the breaker block. If you ask for the perfect breaker block, this is that. This is that breaker block. If I am over jealous, I will go for this trade. My stop loss will be here and my target will be there, the low of the last parallel gap. I love the breaker block, and 95% of the time I'm accurate on my breaker block entry. So here this is my breaker block entry. That could be my breaker block entry, and I really would love to see that it will work. But yeah, I'm not going to push my button because I will wait little more. Okay, Muhammad Omar, I took that loss. Okay, brother, thanks for the transparency. Because yeah, what I see I will share with you guys. Okay, I have no shame to be wrong. I'm absolutely perfect with that for being wrong. But in my opinion, that was the perfect setup. When it doesn't work, I will say a perfect setup just didn't work. Just a perfect setup didn't work, I will say like that way. Here if I saw that this candle has shifted over there, okay, if it could shift it over there, then I won't be stopped out over here because my entry would be to that fair value gap and I would cover this low. then I wouldn't be stopped out. But as you see, I didn't get my market structure shift over here. Instead of that, I got my structure shift over there. So I would love to take that sell, that buy, and I would be stopped out over here. When I will be stopped out over here, I will re-entry over this breaker block. Okay, so when this breaker block created, I would love to re-entry over there, and I will risk another 11 handle. I will take that risk. Okay, in another 11 handle, I will take that risk. This is just my opinion, and this is how I trade. I just don't see that I took one loss, that means I am done. No, not like that. If I take on risk, I will go for one more time. If it works, I'm happy. If it doesn't work, I'm just done. So if I would take that entry, I would re-entry over there. I would take the re-entry around that area. Just above this breaker block. I'll take my entry over there, and I will cover this breaker block with the mohawk. Okay, so that means market can go little lower of that breaker block, and then it can reverse. So I will just cover that mohawk. When market will close above this high, I will put my stop loss to the break even. This is how I trade. Okay, but it doesn't mean that you are invited to take this entry. Please don't copy my trade. I'm just trying to explain my expectation. So here, this 15-minute fair value gap, this is the 15-minute fair value gap above the new day opening gap. Above this new day opening gap, this is the 15-minute fair value gap. Price came here, make a perfect setup over there here. So I'm unable to hold, stop loss put over there. If I took my entry over there, my stop loss can't be over there. It's too far. So I'm not able to do that. So this is the setup. Market went higher. Then it has, when it fall, it has actually filled some unfilled area. Okay, this is some unfilled area that has been filled. When it has been filled, I will look for low, high, lower low. The highest up close body close candle, which is my breaker block. You can watch the breaker block video in my YouTube channel. I have already built the breaker block video, and I will say this is the breaker block which is highly potential for me, not for you guys. This is for me. Highly potential breaker block which has given me 95% win rate. Okay, that doesn't mean you are interested, invited to take this buy again. Okay, I took that trade T2. Okay, FX, then I guess you also got stopped out. I think so. Okay, I'm more interested to have the sell side liquidity. They left early morning Friday week at 3 p.m. should form usually. What you think, T2? Brother, just look at the distance. So this is very important. You have to understand the fact. Right now price is over here, and the sell side is over here near about 200 handle. First time, then price. What is the time right now? 2:15. That means I have only 1 hour 45 minutes left. If how long it takes to come from here to here, how long it takes? From 8:30 to 2:30 to 2:15. So near about 6 hours. It has taken 6 hours to reach here. Do you think it will reach over there without any kind of news? Just by 1 hour or 1.5 hour, it will reach over there by 1.5 hour. What do you think? Is it really possible? Where it has taken near about 6 hours to reach until that area, then without testing the last fair value gap, it will just fall without any news. It will just fall. Do you really believe that? Is it really possible, brother? So ask yourself first, is it really possible or not? So I don't think so. You should go for that sell side liquidity. Yeah, you could go for that sell side liquidity if around lunch hour market could fall and could close below this new day opening gap. If it closed around that area, yeah, I would be bearish, like you are thinking. So I would be bearish for that. So yeah, so right now if you ask me, I'm not bearish. Instead of bearish, I will be bullish, and I would love to see that market will reach until this last parabolic gap. So it would be my entry for the PM session. The first entry I got a loss. This would be my second entry until it prove me wrong, I will try to catch that move. Okay, so it's near about 26 handle. So that's all. Okay. Hi, first time here. Do you stream every day? By the way, welcome to my channel, A Trader Diary. Welcome to my channel. Yeah, I try to trade every day. Not the PM session, but AM session almost every day, brother. Okay, almost every day. AM session is kind of oversure. Sometimes I do the, yeah, I have started the gold trading as well around the London session. So yeah, that's all. Okay. Either way, I will put my stop loss to the break even now because market went higher. Take this liquidity. If it close above this high, now my stop loss is at the break even. Okay, just remember my stop loss is at the break even. I'll put it over here because to look nice, but my stop loss is at the break even because it can take this liquidity, tap to this volume balance, then it can fall. So I can't close my trade over here, and if it is just one contract, I'm unable to take the partial as well. So either way, I have to put the stop loss to the break even. If I get stopped out to the break even, I have nothing to do. Otherwise, I have to let the price go until this area because that is the end line. Now it's not the end line. Market can reach until the constant encroachment or to the top. It can reach any of this area, but the low of this parabolic gap is obvious. Okay, so that's why I would love to hold my trade until the low of this area. And as this is my breaker block entry, which is really so confident, I feel so confident when I take the breaker block entry, and if it actually match everything with my expectation, then I feel so confident with the breaker block. And in my opinion, even if market would love to go little lower, it can reach until this order block. So over here, this is the order block. It can reach until this order block or the min threshold of that order block. Okay, it can fall until that area. At the same time, I have seen this has taken the most obvious liquidity, I mean the buy side liquidity from there, then made a high which has been taken again. Okay, tap to this volume balance. This is the volume balance from 15-minute chart. Look over here, that is that volume balance. So I believe that there can be a reaction. That reaction can send the price. Try to understand reaction, reversal. I'm expecting reaction. Reversal means market will go lower and it will take maybe all of these lows. That is called reversal. And reaction means tap over there, it will go little lower. How far it can reach? Until this order block or maybe to the min threshold of this order block. Okay, it will trade any kind of level and then it will expand higher again. Does it need to trade this order block? No, it doesn't need it, but it can reach until this order block. Okay, so keep that in your mind. Either way, if I'm wrong, I'll be stopped out to the break even. If I get stopped out to the break even, I will put my thing like this way. The way I took my entry, I will put it like that way, and I will say, I will see actually my trailing stop loss punished me one more time or not. But just remember, my stop loss is at the break even. Keep that in your mind. Okay. He streams everyday London Gold, New York session AM plus PM NQ. Thank you, FX, for telling him his query. Yeah, guys, please help me like that way because sometimes I miss some comment. So it is really helpful for me if you guys just give the answer from me. Okay. I'm more interested to have the social liquidity the left. Okay, I read your comment, brother. I guess I did. Okay, I'm so happy you also mentioned it. Yeah. Thank you, FX. I had nothing to say except that. So here is the min threshold. I would love to mark the min threshold as well of that order block. So if market really would love to go higher, it should not break the min threshold of this order block. That means body should not close below the min threshold. Body should not close below the min threshold. That's my expectation. If it really would love to reach until that area from this breaker block. If it want to retest the breaker block, I'll be stopped out over there. And it is what it is, as Friday is extremely difficult to trade. So yeah. Can I take sell? No, I can't take sell. The reason is I'm expecting this is the reaction. Okay, so market has closed below this min threshold. It's a low probability now. most probably market will hit me. Okay, so in this type of situation I will just put my stop loss over there. So I got stopped out over there with some small profit, and I'm done with this setup. Can I take sell over here? No, I can't take sell over here, but market is falling, brother. I can see it, market is falling, but I just can't take sell over here. The reason is market is reversing from this volume balance, but I'm not convinced yet. I need to see this breaker block is broken. It can hold the price, this breaker block, though it has done its job already, but after that I would love to see that it will hold the price. So I am not interested to take sell. Is that a nice market structure shift after taking the liquidity? Nice market structure shift, absolutely nice market structure shift. Last fair value gap, entry fair value gap, but still I'm not interested to take sell. Instead of taking sell, just look, I'm just removing this breaker block little bit. Here I would love to draw your attention to this 15-minute bullish fair value gap. See this bullish fair value gap from 15-minute chart? Keep that in your mind. It has traded until this bullish fair value gap. Now if I get another market structure shift toward the upper side, I will take re-entry. The reason is, though I could take that sell and it is a losing trade, here I got break even. So I have an opportunity to mitigate my loss. So I will retake re-entry. Okay, I will take re-entry, I will take rebuy, but I'm not interested to take sell. Not today, but talking about the daily week. What do you mean by daily week? Let me check, brother. Yeah, it can do that. I mean, it can fall. There's nothing wrong with that. It can fall, but it is nearly impossible to reach until that sell side liquidity because it's too far. So today I'm bullish. I'm not bearish. At least until this parabolic gap, I'm bullish. And what is going to happen next week, we will see that later. Okay, we will see that later. So even if you would take that buy side liquidity, I mean that trade until here, 1700, not a bad trade. Don't focus on 1 minute chart, focus on 15-minute chart. Okay, this is the thing I am trying to teach you guys. Focus on this 15-minute chart. What do you see from this 15-minute chart? Is that a sell setup from 15-minute chart, or do you think that market has traded this parallel gap? Now it is trading the order block, the lowest body close candle. See this lowest body close candle here, this one, the opening of this candle, it is trading that order block. Isn't it more obvious from 15-minute chart? At the same time, here is the 15-minute bullish fair value gap. Isn't it looking like market has traded this bullish fair value gap? Now it is going higher. What do you think? And tell me, okay, what do you think? Is that a very nice sell setup, or is this kind of bull setup, brother? Keep focus on 15-minute chart. Try to focus on 15-minute chart. If you can focus over here, you will understand the whole price action. Okay, so yeah, it can fall. Okay, it can fall. If it keep falling, what I am going to do, I'm just watching the price. I will just watch the price. Okay, how beautiful it is falling. I will watch it, but I will do nothing, because from 15-minute chart I am seeing it clearly. Market has came for the order block or this bullish fair value gap, whatever it's easy to tell you. Absolutely, it's kind of a sign that okay, market came here, but now it will go higher. Why? The reason is market should trade this last fair value gap. This is a random level. Now volume balance, it is absolutely important. I'm not telling that it's not important, but instead of that, look at this low. I mean this high. This high has traded just the low of this fair value gap. So next time when price is very near to this fair value gap, where it should reach, where it should reach? Here, just exactly here. It should reach over there, right? This is my expectation. Can I frame a trade, I mean for sell trade? Yeah, you can do that. If you see that a very nice displacement through that low. Let me remove this last parabola. See, this low is valid for shifting market structure. Now if you see a very nice displacement through this low, then a parabolic gap, bearish parabolic gap, tap to this bearish parabolic gap, you will be here in 1 minute chart, start look for sell. Otherwise you should not look for sell. It can trade this opening, order block opening, trade the mean threshold of this order block, or it can go from this 15-minute parabolic gap. So keep that in your mind, okay? So don't get panic when you will see this type of fall. If you are in 1 minute chart, what do you learn from ICT? From ICT, what did you learn? Market has taken the buy side liquidity, right? A very nice buy side liquidity. It has taken buy side liquidity over there. It has taken buy side liquidity, displacement, right? A very nice displacement, very nice market structure shift. What do we know? Sell, sell, sell. Maybe some of you will mark the optimal trade entry, the 50% over here. Maybe you will take the sell over there. Some of you maybe 62% or something like that, you will take the sell. Now if market doesn't fall, why it is not going to fall, I have already explained. For example, I am right, so market is not going to fall. Instead of that, market is going higher. You will say that ICT stuff is bullshit. What is missing, brother? What do you miss? You have missed whole the story over here. This is the story from 15 minutes. You are just missing this story, that's all. If you can focus on this story in 15-minute chart, you won't get trapped over here. Do you understand my logic? I'm going to remove this breaker block. It has done its job. When it has taken this high, it has already done its job. Here I don't have any liquidity. Try to understand. Like yesterday I told, I don't have any liquidity. This trade was depending on the fair value gap imbalance. So yeah, narrative is missing, brother. No, nothing. I mean, last 3 weeks narrative is not working. Last 3 weeks, I mean, one after another, narrative is not working. Last 3 weeks. Miss Novel. Narrative is missing. Okay, didn't get notification. I am sorry for that, Jack. Hey Peter, no, it's shit still setup. It's shit still setup. Okay, so you are not. I guess you are not also interested to take sell because it's shit. Buy setup absolutely for me, Manu. Absolutely, brother. It's for me. So what should you do here? You should wait for a very nice market structure shift for the. You don't have any buy side liquidity, but for this parabolic gap you should look for a buy setup. If it keep falling, don't get panic. This is the part I'm trying to catch up with you guys. Don't take panic if it is falling, because if it keep falling you will get your chance. When this low will be taken, bearish parabolic gap, if you have time you will take the sell. If you don't have time, you don't need to take the sell. So don't get panic. Instead of that, just think market is falling, to take liquidity. This is the liquidity taken. Maybe market will reach until any of this parabolic gap around that area. Okay, either this entry parabolic gap or the last parabolic gap. Maybe market will reach any of this parabolic gap. After reaching any of this parabolic gap, market will start to go higher. So don't get panic, and don't think that okay, I have missed everything. No, this is the last day of the week. Extremely difficult to trade, believe me or not, it's extremely difficult. Okay, you can be stopped out very easily. If you believe me or not, this setup, it works 95% of the time, 95% of the time. But this time market went lower, take this sell side liquidity one more time, made relative equal loss, take this one. It doesn't need to do that. So keep that in your mind. This parabolic gap can hold the price. At the same time, this order block and the mean threshold of this order block from 15-minute chart, well, they both of them are at the same level, so whatever, let it go. Wait for a higher market structure shift. Is there any swing high which is valid for shifting market structure? Absolutely not. There is no swing high which is valid for shifting market structure. So you have to wait to make a swing high first. Then shift that swing high. After that, take the buy. If you don't get any opportunity, don't force the market to give you the setup. This is how you will be able to look for a perfect setup, and that setup will work most of the time. Here, what do you think? When I took that buy, if I take more than one contract, I will obviously take a partial around that area. If I take one contract only, I'll just put my stop loss to the break even. Stop out the break even is not losing, it's preserving your capital. Did you have the chance to reset your 50K account next week? Top step making pre-reset. Okay, no, I didn't get it yet. I guess I will get it around. I mean, the last pre-reset I missed it because I didn't get the mail. What did I? How can I say? I mean, I mailed them. I contact with one guy actually. So I contacted with him. So he told me to check my spam, and yeah, spam. But I have checked everything, and he at last he just told he just can't help me by that. So I didn't get the reset code. Last reset code I didn't get it. So I was unable to reset my account. It is falling. So you can say, brother, it is falling. You are absolutely wrong. So I'm going to take sell. If you do that, up to you, brother. I have no problem. Go for that. But I'm just not interested to chase this price. If really market would love to go lower, maybe until this new day opening gap, I will get my opportunity. After shifting this low, I will get my opportunity. There will be a bearish fair value gap. I will use that bearish fair value gap to take sell. If I don't get it, I will be absolutely okay, and I won't do anything over here. But all of this fall, I'm seeing it just liquidity taken, nothing else. Do you think this on is broken? This parabolic gap is broken? It's not broken yet. This candle can just simply reverse, and you will see a wick over here, just a wick. Okay, so don't think that it's broken yet. I mean, it has been broken already. Now, if it was a normal day, I would say that it's broken by 1 minute chart. If it would be a normal day, but it's as it is Friday, in Friday, I will just go with the over confirmation, and that over confirmation I will get from 15-minute chart. So I won't say it is broken already. I won't just say that. It's normal that the newbie surprise as you are bearish at the low and bullish at the high. Give them some time. They don't read the story. Okay. Okay, they will know. They will know very, very soon. They will understand that very soon. Now, look over here. What do you think? Did you have any opportunity to take that sell? I don't think so. Even if you would love to take that sell, you had no opportunity to take that sell over there. So the last parabolic cap has broken, and market is extremely bearish. So I will mark this low from 15-minute chart. If market can close, I mean market can give me the lower market structure shift, then the bearish fair value gap I will use for my sell setup. Otherwise, I'm not interested to take sell. Instead of that, I will be bullish until this fair value gap. Simple. This is the only low which is valid for shifting market structure from 15-minute chart. Question. You can ask me the question, brother. Please ask me the question. I love question. Mhm. Mhm. SMT. Levi Levi, you are new to my channel. So 18883 is the last low. Can you please tell me the candle time? Which candle you are mentioning? Just tell me the candle time, okay? Winston, look, you please go to my YouTube channel. In my YouTube channel, you will find a study folder. Inside that study folder, you will get a video which is called how to avoid losing trade and what is market structure shift. So please watch those video. I believe that you will get your answer, brother. What's up, brother? I love you, bro. Hey, Mike. Thanks, brother. I love you too, brother. 148, 148, 148. No, see this low? When this low is broken, then I'll start to look for short. This low from 15-minute chart. Look this 15-minute chart. When this low will be broken with displacement, if I get any bearish parabolic from 15-minute chart, then I will start to look for sell until this parabolic constant crossment or maybe until this CE. Okay, until that area I will be bearish, but I'm not bearish now. I'm bullish and I believe that I will get a bull setup. Okay, that's my belief. So I'm waiting for a bull setup, not a bear setup. When you said needs to break the low on the 15-minute chart, do we need the candle? If I ever see, I would love to see it's broken. That means you will think that body. Okay, if I ever say I need to see it's broken. Broken means need candle close. I need candle close. I don't care about the week. I give priority to the week if only if there is the case of market structure shift. So for market structure shift, I don't need to see the body close. I just need a week. That's all. But except market structure shift, I always care for the body because body tell you the story. Weeks just do the damage. Okay. Thank you, Peter. Thank you for confirming him. Thank you, brother. There is my Twitter link on the stream element on my comment box. If anyone would love to join me through my Twitter, you are welcome. Okay. At the same time, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to make it 5850. So I just need 5 more people to make it 5850. See this swing high? It's valid for shifting market structure. This swing high is valid for shifting market structure, upper market structure. Okay. You're most welcome, brother. So any good heart wants to subscribe to my channel, welcome. Make it 5850. I'm the wizard of this market. And always remember, waiting is the, if you can wait, you will be the winner. If you can just wait, you will be the winner of this game. There's no one who can stop you from being profitable. So you have to wait more and more. Practice to wait. Okay, just practice to wait. Mike, I will make more YouTube channel and subs to you. No. I don't need the subscriber. Actually, I need new people. Okay, I mean, don't do that. I just need new people. That's all. Not the subscribe actually. By the way, Cash Diosul, thanks for the penguin, brother. I love the penguin. And Mike, thanks for the penguin. Thank you, brother, so much. Thank you so much for the penguin, brother. Winston Locke, you are most welcome, brother. Waiting is the hard part of this game. We need penguins, real ones. Oh, by the way, today I got 3 more member. Thank you guys for being the member. Thank you, brother. Check 45-minute order block. The whole price action is around it. Okay. Now I'm doing that now. Get you to 100 subscriber. 100k subs. Okay. Yeah, 100 subs. K. Oh man. 100k subscriber. I even I even don't dream about that. I will be happy if I get just 10,000. If I can touch that one, I'll be very happy. This is the high which is valid for shifting market structure. This high is valid for shifting market structure. Except this one, there is no swing high which is valid for shifting market structure. I don't think so. Someone will subscribe to my channel right now, so I would love to focus on the price, and we will see around the last hour if 5 more people subscribe to my channel or not. Whoever has a confusion about market structure shift, please watch that video from my channel. Okay, study folder. You will just go to study folder. You will find out the video called how to avoid losing trade. There is 2 video. Just tell me, okay, if you see the market structure shift, just let me know. If you come to the study folder, to this study folder, you will see 2 video. Here you will watch this one first. You don't know what market structure shift is. What is market structure shift? ICT, how to avoid losing trade, part 2. This is the part 2. And how to avoid losing trade, this is the part 1. Okay, so these 2 video extremely important, trust me, guys. If you just watch these 2 video and if you can understand 100%, you can easily avoid at least 1000 losing trade, at least 1000 losing trade, trust me. So please watch those video. Every confusion will be cleared about the market structure shift. Market is coming for the macro. I mean, this macro will start very soon. So keep that in your mind as well. We don't have order block. I don't need order block. This whole price action is here. See, inside this fair value gap, above the constant encroachment of this 15-minute fair value gap, bullish fair value gap. All of this price action is above the constant encroachment of this bullish fair value gap. Look, nobody closed this constant encroachment. That means this fair value gap upper portion is actually holding the price. It's not working with the lower part. It's working with the higher part. It is going to be balanced perfectly. Okay, there is nothing left over there. So keep that in your mind that market is actually working with the upper portion of this fair value gap. It is called the first fair value gap, which I haven't explained yet. I don't think so it's time to explain this fair value gap right now. You are just working with NT fair value gap and last fair value gap, but yeah, you will understand when you should use this first fair value gap for premium buy. It used for premium buy. Okay. Hey George, no problem, brother. Till now there is nothing. Is 239 potential breaker block. Here is no breaker block right now. I had a breaker block around that area. After that breaker block, market didn't made any 22 YT model. So every breaker block needs a 22 YT model. So I don't have any 22 YT model yet. So I don't have any breaker block. If you look for a bearish breaker block, there is no 22 YT model yet. So there is no bearish breaker block as well, in my opinion. Hi Tito, I think that price must take 18881.5 low to take liquidity from equal low, or after that we must go high. It can happen, brother. Absolutely it can happen, but if I see market went below this low, I will be bearish. And in that type of situation, if market can make a bearish fair value gap, obviously I really don't want to see market will go below that low. I really don't want to see that. Instead of that, I would love to see around the last hour. So from 3 to 3:30, market will reach to this fair value gap. That's my expectation. So if you stay with me, you will miss a lot of run, something like this. Okay. So maybe you took that sell over there. Maybe took that sell. Maybe you put a stop loss over here, and your target was maybe this low. This low. Okay. I'm not telling that it's not going to work, but I'm just telling you that look at this whole price action. If you have a BP problem, trust me, there will be a high blood pressure because of this whole consolidation. I don't want to take participate into this type of price action. Instead, I will wait, and I don't need to show you the setup. You will see the setup by yourself. You will tell me, brother, this is the time to take buy or sell, whatever it is. You will see that. Okay, when the time will come, remember this one. Second market structure shift, very nice market structure, sorry, liquidity market structure shift, fair value gap. Remember, you will be able to outline the setup. You don't need me to do that. All I'm trying to show you how you can wait for the setup. This is how you will wait for the setup. I have built an story first. I'm not interested to take sell. Why I'm not interested to take sell? I have already explained that. I'm waiting for a buy. if I would love to take sell, what I need to see. If it happens, then I will start to look for a sell. In that type of situation, right now I'm thinking for buy. When this low will be shifted, then I will start to look for sell. When I will start to look for sell, the way I'm waiting for a buy setup, I will wait the same way for the sell setup. If the sell setup happen, you will see that by yourself. Okay. What is market doing? What market is doing? Just consolidating. Do you think this is a high probability sell setup? Just after seeing all of this price action, what do you think? Is that a high probability sell setup? Do you really would love to take entry in this type of situation? If no, then you have to understand why you should not look for sell around that area. First, market has to build the story for sell. Then you will be able to take the sell. Otherwise, you should have a wait. You should not participate into this type of price action. And you can easily avoid them if you just read the price. If you just don't fly with the flow of this price action. If you don't do that, you will easily avoid this type of price action. If any of you would love to subscribe to my channel, please push the subscription button. And by the way guys, 100 people are watching. I need 50 likes. This is the time for looking for the like. Give me the likes please. Make sure that you all have given the like, and it's 50 like. Okay, make sure that market is doing a drama. Yeah, I need Peter. Okay, peter is the Peter is the man who made this drama. Most of the time he made this drama. He makes this drama. Okay, market just making buy side liquidity. Okay, that's cool. Okay, now you got a market structure shift from the 15-minute chart. After taking the buy side liquidity, you got the market structure shift from 15-minute chart. All you have to do is you have to wait for a 15-minute bearish fair value gap. If you get a 15-minute bearish fair value gap, start to look for sell. If you don't get any 15-minute bearish fair value gap, no sell for there. No sell at all. Keep looking for buy. Keep looking for buy. You will see this as a liquidity taken if market fail to make a bearish fair value gap from 15-minute chart. Keep looking for buy. Okay, I'm trying to teach you how to how to build the story. Here, this is how you will build the story first. If market could reach until that area, to that last fair value gap, when this fair value gap is broken, see it has broken. What did I say? After breaking the last fair value gap, if market can make another fair value gap, I will take my sell over there. But as market didn't reach until that area, though it has traded the volume balance, I don't care about that. I wanted to see that market will trade this fair value gap and actually until this mean threshold, I mean constant encroachment. I was unable to take the sell from that fair value gap. Did I take the sell from that type of fair value gap? How many times I did it? But here I'm just unable to do that. You got the market structure shift from 15 minute chart. All you need to wait is for a fair value gap from 15 minute chart now. If it can make a fair value gap from 15 minute chart, you will start to look for a sell. So another, after closing this candle, you have to wait another 15 minutes to see if it can make a fair value gap or not. Trading is very boring. Okay, trading is absolutely very boring. If you always look for buy and sell, buy and sell, buy and sell, you will always look for blow your account, blow your account, blow your account. Actually, I'm missing the novel. When I watch your stream, everything is clear, but when I read by myself, I'm totally failed. Brother, how long you have been with me, JJ? How long you have been with me? Give me the answer first, okay? Then I will tell you. By the way, guys, as I told you, if anyone is interested to take sale or buy, whatever you want to do, you can do. I'm not just giving you any signal over here. I'm just trying to show you how to read the price. If you know how to read the price, trading will be much more easier for you. It will be 1,000 times easier for you, okay? When your subscriber was near about 2,800, okay, golden zone, then you have been with me for so long. You should have improved yourself. What is missing, brother? It's so simple. Just look for the liquidity. Now here in market, I don't have any buy side liquidity. I don't have any sell side liquidity. Okay, right now. Remember yesterday evening session? We had nothing. Same situation. We don't have any buy side liquidity. We don't have any sell side liquidity. All we have this 15-minute last fair gap, this new day opening gap. That's all we have. So in this type of situation, it's extremely low probability, but still we are able to trade this type of situation. But yeah, I guess what to say. I mean, I don't know. But Friday narrative is back to range. Narrative is not working for last 3 weeks. So unfortunately, narrative is not working for last 3 weeks. I will see some kind of bearish fair value gap now. If it can make a bearish fair value gap, I will start to look for a sell. If it failed to make the bearish fair value gap, I'm not interested to look for sell. I will keep looking for buy. Simple. Well, I'm still bearish for dollar index. Still I'm bearish. Yeah, still I'm bearish for dollar index. So I should go for the buy. I should go for the buy, but yeah, it is what it is. Let's see. Can you be a TGIF closing? I don't know, brother. I don't trade TGIF, so I don't know. How many people are getting angry because you failed to catch this move? All of this move you have failed to catch. How many people get angry, man? Whoever feel angry and frustrated because you have missed all of this run, you need more practice. Trust me, you need more practice, because trading is this. You have to understand the fact. You will miss a lot of move, but you will catch the most obvious move. This is why everyone tell patience is the main key of trading. Simple. If I could catch all the moves, then I would be a billionaire. That's the fact, brother. That's the fact. A lot of people just wiped out by the market because they get frustrated. Okay, after watching all of this move, they think time to sell. Now let's just go for sell, go for sell, go for sell. But they don't see where the price reached. They don't see that. How far it reached. Exactly from where it is going higher or giving me the reaction. They don't see like that way. They just see, okay, it is falling, let's take sell. So here is a fair value gap, take the sell. Not good. Thanks for the psychological talk. Appreciated very much. Thank you, A Trader Diary. You are new to my channel, I guess. I learned in the hard way why we need to be patient in the stock market. Yeah, you have to be patient in the stock. Not only in the stock market, every kind of market. You have to be very patient. There's no other way. Keep patient. Keep patient. Okay. What did I show you yesterday? Consequent encroachment rejection. The next target is the low. I need four more people. Let's see if I can get it or not. Trading psychology, trading psychology. Bullshit. Trading psychology is bullshit. If I see a run, I will catch the run. That's the psychology. I don't care about anything else. I'll just keep taking entry. That's all. I don't care about anything else. I know, guys. That's the hard part of trading. Making lots of moves, but at the same time learning lots of unbelievable stuff. I'm thankful. That's a big compliment for me, Kesh. Thanks for that, man. George, thanks for the love, man. Why you guys love me so much? Mhm. By the way, guys, did you listen the song by Eminem? The name of the song is Mockingbird. Anybody? I mean, it's a very famous song. I believe that you have listened that song. Oh man, that's awesome. Question: do you take in consideration for a short the 5 minute parallel gap? No, I don't go to 5 minute chart, brother. I'm extremely sorry for that. Okay, I don't go to 5 minute chart. If only if I see a very big parallel gap from 15 minute chart, in that type of situation, I go to 5 minute chart to make my parallel gap smaller. That is the only reason I go over there. Otherwise, no. Please come every day. We can all learn. Invite your friends to join. Also, it's not about ICT by reading price and risk. Okay, it's not about ICT by reading price and risk management. Who is Eminem? Eminem, not Eminem, Eminem. Okay, I'm now getting confused. Eminem. Okay, Eminem. Ragon, you have listened that song, right? Yeah, oh man, awesome, awesome song. I'm winning now thanks to listening to the wizard. Okay, you're most welcome, Jerry Swag. Are there any kill zone in Bitcoin? I don't trade Bitcoin, so I don't know. You can search in Google, maybe you will find out something, but I don't trade Bitcoin or the crypto. Mhm. I have 20 more minutes left for taking an entry. Without 20 minutes, if I get something clean, I'll go for that trade. Otherwise, I will do nothing. Okay, simply I will do just nothing. If this candle, exactly this candle can close above this parallel gap, I will look for a buy. But this candle has to close above the parallel gap or the very next candle. Okay, even if it can close above this parallel gap, I will start to look for a buy. Okay, now is the time to look for a, okay, it didn't close yet. 50-50, 50-50. What should I do? What should I do? What should I do? What should I do? Well, I will let it go. I will take the entry. Yeah, I will go for the trade. Mm. All I just miss is I didn't wait to see body close above this parallel. That's the only thing I just missed. But either way, this is valid for shifting market structure. After taking the liquidity, market has shifted. So this is the fair value gap. Only thing is missing. I didn't wait for closing above this fair value gap. That's the only thing which is missing. Otherwise, it's cool. Is it a perfect setup? Absolutely not. Maybe I will be stopped out, but it's just a 9 handle stop loss, okay? Over there to here until there. Have the boom prepared. Oh man, why you are, don't say like that, okay? I'll be intense then. This is Friday, okay? And Friday always hit me badly. If I get lost here, I will try one more trade and then I'm done. Around the PM session, I'm just done. I should have waited for closing that fair value gap, but yeah, I didn't wait for that. That is the only thing I'm I'm intense. That did I miss? I mean, did I do something wrong or not? Should I wait for the closing above this fair value gap, or did I do something right? This is the only thing I'm just tensed. Otherwise, it's cool. What has just happened? Mm. There is a 50-minute fair value gap. I have seen that, brother. Happy because market didn't took sell side liquidity. It has taken a lot of sell side liquidity, brother. You even can't imagine how many sell side liquidity it has taken. So, okay, the liquidity taken has done, but the only thing is this bearish fair value gap from 1 minute chart. This can stop the price. It can stop the price, send it back until the low of this new day opening gap. Okay, it can do that. This bearish fair value gap is extremely important. That's why I was little confused. Should I take the buy from there or not? Should I wait for the closing of that bearish fair value gap or not? But it is what it is. I was confused and I took the entry. If I get loss, it will be a 9 handle loss, and I will be okay with that. I'm talking about pre-market. Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. The sell side liquidity around here. You are talking about this one. Ah, because of it didn't take this liquidity. Because of that, I missed lot of buy run today. Okay, and finally I managed one trade just, but that is also not a good trade because of just market failed to take that sell side liquidity. Oh man. Otherwise, it would be a very nice day for me. Very, very nice day for me. Peter, here is your order block, okay? Now my stop loss is over here. I just minimized my stop loss, okay? So around that area, so just 5 handle stop loss. Even if you hit me for 5 handle, I'll be happy. 72 brother, thank you. See this bearish fair value gap, these two red line, how strong that bearish fair value gap. Market is just failing to close above this fair value gap. It's just failing. It's extremely strong fair value gap. So that's why I was thinking, should I wait for closing that fair value gap or not? If I waited to for that, then here would be my entry. Okay, that would be my entry. See this market structure shift. If it can make a fair value gap around that area, then that would be my entry around that area. So something like here, my stop loss has to be here below this fair. If it can make the fair value gap, and my target would be there. I mean, I can target much higher, but I don't want to go much more higher. Instead of that, I would love to stay over here. The opening is also the order block. I mean, the opening is also called the order block. I just marked the high. It can reach until the opening of this candle. If market would love to go higher, then this order block should be respected. Otherwise, this is the liquidity taken and market will fall dramatically. You'll see a big fall. Here, this is the opening of that order block. Just look how market is struggling to close to break this fair value gap. This is called fake breakout. That means I need another candle close above this fair value gap, which will confirm this is broken. Otherwise, I'm extremely wrong, and I will take this loss, 115 handle loss, and that is just near about six handle loss. Okay, I will take that 6 handle loss if it failed to close above this fair value gap one more time, at least one more time. And this is the reason I really hate Friday, okay? Because Friday is extremely messy for me. I really hate the Friday price action. Difficult, extremely difficult for me. Not a good sign. Market is respecting this bearish fair value gap. It's not a good sign, okay? No, it's not a good sign at all. Should I close my trade over there? I should close my trade over here. Okay, as it is paper money, I'm not just closing, but I think I should close my trade because it's respecting this bearish fair value gap. So it's absolutely a low probability in my opinion. After trading this order block, it should expand higher with speed. Okay, it didn't only trade the order block, it has traded the mean threshold of that order block as well. So everything has been traded already, so it should expand higher with speed now. At least it should go through this bearish fair value gap with speed, with very speed. Yeah, it should expand higher with speed now. I'll hold it. The reason is just 5 handle stop loss or 6 handle stop loss is absolutely nothing. Okay, if you would love to trade future market, 5 handle is kind of bonus for us. So we managed the trade from 11 handle to 5 handle now. So in my opinion, you should take that 5 handle loss. At least you should let that go. So I will take that loss instead of closing my trade. So I'm not feeling so cool over here, but the only reason is market should expand higher now. I need speed. I'm not getting the speed over here. So I'll just let 5 handle go, and yeah, that's going to be a loss around the PM session. It can be a loss. Yeah, that's all. No, it's not good at all. I need speed. Yeah, this type of speed. I need this type of speed, which will closed above this bearish fair value gap. If it can close above this fair value gap, oh man, I'm in heaven. Okay, but if it failed to close above this fair value gap, I'm in hell. I need to see market will close above this fair value gap. Now there is 15-minute bearish fair value gap also. Yeah, I can see it. That is the reason I'm just afraid here. It didn't reach until this bearish fair value gap. That's why still I'm in hope that market is not going to fall. The reason is market didn't reach until the bearish fair value gap. So that is the only reason I'm in hope. Still I'm in hope that market will go higher and hit my target. And I will be able, at least I will be able to put my stop loss to the break even. And I will be able to do that when market will close above this high. When it will close above this high, I will be able to put my stop loss to the break even. I'll just put it over there. So now my stop loss is just for 2.5 handle. Okay, see, just 2.5 handle. I minimized 50% of my loss already, as market is struggling and trading this order block. See this order block, mean threshold. It is trading that mean threshold of that order block. That's why I just minimized my loss, and I'm going to leave this propulsion block now. This is the propulsion block that should hold the price, send it back for the buy side liquidity. Now I don't have any buy side liquidity, I'm just talking like that way. This is the propulsion block. This down close candle is the propulsion block, which should hold the price, send it back. But my confirmation will get if market can close above this high. Then I will get my confirmation that market is going higher. This is one of the best explanations of fair value gap and order block and how can handle a trade. Thank you. You're most welcome. See, it's just struggling to close this fair value gap. Why this fair value gap is important? Because this is the only fair value gap, only bearish fair value gap after the big fall, which is respecting lot of time. So I need to see it's broken. I need to see that. Okay, one time break, it's called fake breakout. After the fake breakout, I need one more candle close above this fair value gap. If I get that, I got it. Now you will see the expansion. My belief is you will see the expansion now, because it's the confirmation of the breakout. That means this fair value gap is broken. You should look for the expansion now. If market really would love to go higher, it will expand now. Otherwise, it will just fall. Anything will happen right now. anything. Okay, if it wants to go higher, you will see the speed. If it wants to go lower, you will see the speed toward the sell side liquidity. And I will be able to put my stop loss to the break even only if market can close above that high. Then I I am expecting the volatility. It can take 1 minute or 2 minutes. Obviously, it can do that, but I'm expecting the volatility. I don't need this parallel gap anymore. I'm just observing this propulsion block. My stop loss is just below this propulsion block. Okay, just below this propulsion block. And this parallel gap, I don't need it anymore because it's broken already. So in my opinion, if market really would love to go higher, it should expand higher now. There is nothing that can stop the price for going higher. If I'm absolutely wrong, this propulsion block will be broken and I'm stopped out. I got stopped out. So, but here, this is the speed. Let's see, I will keep it over there and I would love to see my trailing stop loss punished me or not. Speed, 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 speed. By this candle or the very next candle will be the speed. Yeah, here. Go, 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 go. More speed. More speed, more speed. Go, 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 go. By the way, let me put my stop loss to the area where I put it first. That was the previous stop loss. Oh man, where is my speed? I need speed now. By this candle, I need the speed. Not this type of Mickey Mouse move. More speed. I hate you. This is why I hate the Friday price action. Doesn't give any kind of precision, nothing at all. That's my girl. That's my girl. I wanted it just before here. I wanted it by that candle. Give me that move. Just go. That's my girl. Make a parallel gap that should be unfilled. Here there will be an unfilled parallel gap. That's my girl. Keep going higher. Keep going higher. Listen to Papa. Listen to Papa. Go far more, far more, far more. I wanted this volatility around here. If it can make a fair value gap, I'm not sure it will make any fair value gap or not. If it can make a fair value gap, I would love to see it will be unfilled. If it can make a fair value gap, if it failed, there is no fair value gap, no unfilled area. Okay. By the way, market is in the bearish fair value gap from 15-minute chart. Okay. So if it go lower with displacement, I will take sell. If it can go lower with displacement, I will take sell again. But if it keep going higher, I have no opportunity to take buy anymore, and I will say my stop loss punished me, because that was my previous stop loss around that area. If you remember from the beginning, and I trailed my stop loss until that area below this propulsion block, and I got stopped out by that wick. So my stop loss just punished me, I will say like that way. As this Pavlov cap is broken, it should have gone higher. This is that Pavlov cap. How many trades you took today? Just one trade in the morning session and this one. I took two trades today, brother. And this one is also going to hit my target. I believe so. I believe that it will hit my target. But I just got a stopped out because of my trailing stop loss. That is still I'm believing, okay? If it fall, I don't think so I will have anything to do because the time is 3:34, very near for closing. So I don't think so that I will have anything to do. By the way, I don't know, Peter, you are still here or not. This is your order block. Still, this is your order block. And see the reaction from that order block. See the reaction just from your order block. Don't consider the wick. Instead of that wick, consider the bodies. Nobody close below your order block. I really hate this type of price action, and I really don't want to take entry around this type of price action. Instead of that, I let this type of, even if I am in this market, I trail my stop loss too fast and better I get stopped out because it made my pressure high. I don't want to be chopped up around this type of price action. I love something kind of boom, something like that. Still, I'm believing that market will go higher at least until this last Fabrica from 1 minute chart. I'm believing like that way. But if it fall below this low with displacement, I will say that market is coming for this sell liquidity. So that is the last opportunity to take sell. If it can fall below this low with speed, then market will take this sell liquidity. Though I don't want to see that. What do you think? To handle is a great loss, brother. I had a two handle loss, right? By the way, that is that target. My target was over there. It has just hit my target. So my trailing stop loss punished me this time. Okay, I'm cool. Still, I will keep that trailing stop loss habit in myself, because trust me, man, lot of time I get saved by my trailing stop loss. Sometimes I get punished, but I'm okay with that. Like two handle, five handle loss for trailing stop loss, it's cool. Most of the time to the break even, perfect, perfect for me. For today, trading is done. Okay, for today, trading is done. I gotta stop trading Fridays. Friday and Monday. Try to avoid trading, brother. Friday and Monday. So for today, trading is done. No more trading for today. It's already 3:40, so please don't push your button anymore. Just done for today. By the way, guys, if any of you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Make it for 850. Okay, I just need maybe 4 subscriber more. So far I remember. So make it happen. Ruse FX, you are new to my channel. I didn't see your name before. Welcome to my channel, brother. I don't think so. It will give me a take another pyramid entry. I don't think so. Nope. Give me another chance. Another chance. That was by another entry over here to this fair lookup. Here. I would add on more over there. And this would be my target. Got Mr. Out. Thank you. Had you. Entry fair value, sorry, entry fair value gap, last fair value gap. I would wanted to see that this candle will trade over there, then I would be able to take another trade over there, and I would be able to take the partial around that area. But when it failed, I'm not interested anymore. For around the PM session, Friday, more risky, just more risky. Yeah. Are you in abroad? No, brother, I'm in Bangladesh. Done for today, just for fun. Just don't look at me now, okay? I would love to enjoy the price action right now. I mean, every single day. I love to do that. Don't look at me, okay? Please don't look at me. I will just close my stream, but before that, I will just do this fun for me. See Joe. If it start to go higher, I will put it over there. Don't worry about that. I would love to enjoy the price action around the last time in Friday. This is the breakaway gap. Market should not close above the constant crossment of this breakaway gap. This is the entry fair value gap. That means market should reverse from this entry fair value gap. It came here. After that, the reaction can send the price until this order block. This is the order block. So market can send the price from here to until the order block. Then it should be broken. Finally, market should take this obvious liquidity. This low has taken by that low, which is called the obvious liquidity. So I would love to mark the low of this obvious liquidity. Market should reach until that obvious liquidity. That is my plan of this trade, but please don't look at that. In my first entry, I wanted to add one more, but this candle failed to reach until that area. I was hoping that this candle will reach until that area. In that type of situation, I could add one more and I could take a partial below this relatively equal loss. See this relatively equal loss around that area, I would go for that. At I market didn't do that, instead of that come back again. So far later, it's not a valid entry, just not a valid entry. All of you know, whoever with me for so long now, you know that I don't look at the later entry. Okay, see this is the later entry. Market took so long to reach over there, so this is not called immediate reaction. So if it is not immediate reaction, then I'm not interested to look for this type of entry. So no, this entry is not valid anymore. Even it hit my target, I don't care, but it's not a valid entry. Don't train yourself to take this type of entries, because when market take so long to reach some kind of parabol gap, it's not valid anymore. Even if it works, it's not valid. Okay, and market is going to write it down, so you should repeat me and you should write it down same, I mean to my comment box as well, because wizard has written it down. Please write it down to the comment box. Hey Preet, how are you, brother? Mhm. 18566 18856.50 18856.50. Look over here, okay, around that area. Just can you see my mouse croucher over here? Just look over here, this candle low, 18856.50, 18856.50 on my left, on my right actually, tick by tick. So why didn't you cover? Because market is going to give me the boom, that's why, brother. I hate you, I hate you, Friday, I hate you. Seriously. Oh man. Done for today. Okay guys, by the way, thank you for writing down boom beforehand. As the wizard has told, market will go over there, so market has to reach over there. It has to reach over there, right? I'm just kidding. Look at this order block reaction. What a nice reaction from there. By the way, guys, it was a tough day. I mean, Friday, still we managed something. I'm really happy. And I got 5846 actually. So I didn't touch 5850. So I'm wrong in my direction over here. I was thinking that it will touch at least 5850. Missed my target for 4 people. I'm cool with that. In Sunday, I will upload the weekly analysis, and yeah, still I'll be here until 4 p.m. So bear me some more times. I mean, just a little more, okay? I'll be here. Oh, by the way, guys, don't think this is a trade of wizardry, okay? This is just bullshit, gambling, perfect gambling. You just can't take entry around that area. This is not anything, okay? I didn't read the price, anything, nothing at all. It was just pure luck, just pure luck, exactly pure luck. The logic was entry fair value gap, last fair value gap. That was the logic. After shifting the market structure, entry fair value gap, last fair value gap. That was the logic, but it was a pure luck until this obvious equity. So don't get confused by that entry and don't think that it's possible, and no entry is valid. Actually, I don't take entry after 3:30. Still, if it is Friday, then I don't even push my button after 320. I don't even push my button after 320. So yeah, that's the thing. And guys, to be honest, if one guy has just unsubscribed me, no problem. Whoever unsubscribed me, I thought that I will touch 5850, but I didn't get it. It's okay as well. And please give me 2 more likes, then it will be 50 like. I'm down for today, okay? Are you trading on Monday? I think it's US holiday, but futures open half day. Monday trading is absolutely bullshit. It's holiday, okay? It's just holiday. Don't think it's open for half day or something. It's just holiday means holiday. It's if you trade Monday, you just if I trade in Monday, I'm just a gambler. I will be here maybe until the 1 p.m. I mean the market actually close around 1 p.m. in Monday, in a holiday Monday. I'll be here and I will see the price action. But if you trade in Monday, I'm just a gambler. That's all. So I will come back in Sunday with the weekly analysis video. I will upload that to my YouTube channel around 8 a.m. New York local time. And yeah, that's all. I'll close my session around 4 p.m. after 4 minutes. Okay. So within this 4 minutes, make sure that all of you have given me the likes. All of you have pushed the subscription button. Guys, I promise you, if you keep coming over here, you will learn a lot of things. Just a lot of things. Trust me. Hey Mike, thanks. Let's go. Boom. Thank you, brother. By the way, whoever write on boom, thank you so much. Jack, Joseph, Cheng Ji, Preet, Golden, JJ, Joseph, Golden, JJ, Anish, George, Preet, Mike. Yeah, thank you guys for writing down boom. And Kesh, thanks for that penguin. Whoever has that penguin, give me the penguin, please. I deserve some penguin. Who taught you? Who taught me? I am I am my master. Okay, I am actually my master. Okay, I learned it from ICT's YouTube video. He's chartered member, as a his chartered member, though I didn't learn anything from there because I didn't take ICT seriously over there in 2019. I thought he is a fraud. This ICT whole concept is a fraud. To be honest, guys. So I actually learned from his 22 mentorship model. So I am self-taught. Okay, I got self-taught. Thank you, Kesh and FX, for that penguin, brother. Thank you so much. Who has the penguin? Give me the penguin, please. Ravi, thanks for that. What is that? I guess it's a dragon. I will be here for 2 more minutes. I'm extremely sorry for that. And if any of you didn't subscribe to my channel, I can see 75 people. If any of you are not my subscriber, please push the subscription button. You will be benefited. I guarantee you. I guarantee you, brother. Don't, if you don't believe me, at least come 1 week. You will never leave me alone. By the way, at the same time, push the like button as well. Please do that. Penguin boom, penguin boom, penguin boom, penguin. Thank you, Caesar. Thank you, CS, for that penguin and for the boom. Should I use micro for 50k account? It's up to you, Larry, but I don't recommend micro. Instead of micro, I recommend one contract only. So don't over leverage, just one contract. Okay, that's all, brother. So here is the just 1 minute left for closing this week. Let's see what do we get. Okay, I'll just wait 1 more minute. Okay, just 1 minute. I'm extremely sorry for that. There you go, the last candle of today. By the way, not a bad day. Have a great weekend, brother, and everyone. Yeah, thank you, guys. Thank you, Anish. Thank you so much for everyone for joining my live, and I will be back in Sunday as I told. Until then, cheers, guys. Don't forget to give me the like, okay? And there's the my Twitter link. Push the join button over there by that link, okay? Hey, George. Good night, brother.